These are the newly replaced and modernized south-wing elevators at UPMC Shadyside in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are originally, on the left car is originally Westinghouse hydraulic, and the right car is originally an old Otis traction. They're on the same controller, then they got a 2000s model by Marshall with Innovation universal, but this one got replaced into a Gen2, but the fixtures are the mod style. The other one was just a mod, a full mod. Otis traction was a full mod. This one, the Westinghouse one, was a complete replacement. It is a Gen2. It has the mod style fixtures, but it sounds like it's an MRL, but it probably isn't. Maybe it is MRL. Yeah, it sounds MRL. I think they just did the mod style fixtures to make it match with the other one, which is actually mod. This has a ridiculously long door toggle, up to 5. This is the one I filmed when there's door toggles. Where is the pen? Yeah, the doors in this one are like the new style. The doors in the other one are like the mod style. Yeah, the panel used to be, I think it was on that side, so it's weird. I don't know why they moved the panel. Let's see. No resistant line, trying to get back down to 1. And your thumb? Yeah, that's the Gen2 clicks. I think there's a cabinet there. It's a basic, nice newer snap cab. It looks more like the snap cab than the other one. This had a snap cab before the mod too, but there's a different snap cab. There's a lighter one. There's a big brother in the back. It's a little bit of a louder Gen2. And back up. 1. And it's a mod style, probably an indicator too. Or, yeah, they're posing that's going to be it.